Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the keyboard layout to Qwerty, Qwertz, Azerty or 3x4 on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, scroll down and tap on general management. Next, in here, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now at the top, tap on languages and types. Then tap on your keyboard language. From the pop-up, choose the format that you would like to use. So here I've got Qwerty by default. I can choose Azerty. Now if you tap on the back key, then tap on the home button. Next, open up an app so that we can test out the keyboard. So I'm going to open up Samsung Notes. And this is the Azerty keyboard. So you can see it looks a little bit different. If I go back in here and select languages, and I change it back to Qwerty keyboard, you will notice that it will look a little bit different. And you can see it changes a little bit here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.